Very good afternoon to you all. My name is Gaurav and welcome to BISP Solution. So this is the session 13 of ARCS series, and today I will be taking prepaid expenses cash scenario. Okay, so just have a understanding what is prepaid expenses. So let me open my Excel and show you the story behind the prepaid expenses in ARCS. So just little bit make the sheet enlarge. So suppose I have to give the insurance. I have given the insurance amount which is around 12,000. Okay, so I have taken this insurance amount which is 12,000 and I will be paying the insurance premium for every month. Suppose June is my starting from January till 1 year. Okay, so when you divide 12,000 in 12 month, you will be getting 1,000 per month as a expense which you have to pay to get this insurance. Okay, so this is my 12,000 as my insurance, and every month I am paying 1,000 to close this insurance. Okay, so just copy it. So till the end of December, the amount of 12,000 goes to zero. Look here how it is done. First month I will be paying 11,000. 1,000 is being deducted. Then every month the sum amount will be deducted. Drill it down. Look here, in the end month it goes to zero. So I have given this 12,000 amount in form of cash as an insurance. Then every month it will be deducted by 1,000. So the entry will be giving which is prepaid insurance, which is 12,000 in the form of cash. Okay, so we are paying the prepaid, we are paying the insurance in the form of prepayment. Okay, so we will be giving this entry which is prepaid insurance to cash. Then we have the expenses, insurance expenses every month, which is 1,000. So we'll be giving the entry as insurance expense 1,000 for every month till December. Okay, to prepaid insurance. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the story behind the prepaid insurance. Okay, so we'll be seeing this entire thing in our ARCS application. So in the very beginning session I have said you this, there is a option in format which is the case of amortization and accretion. So today we'll be using that amortization and accretion. In transaction I have shown you. So just let me go to my instance first, and here just go and check the format. Okay, what all things are there in the format. Before that, let me mark some. Let me highlight this one. Okay, so for prepaid expenses cash scenario we'll be using account analysis format. Okay, there is no change in the format, we'll be using the same format. This is the method and the format is prepaid expenses format. Okay, and the method he will be using, which is the account analysis. So just quickly go to the instance and see. So go to the configuration. Under configuration you have to go to formats, there we will be finding prepaid expenses format. Let's see, it's here, prepaid expenses. So look here, this you already know the name, then the description, customize action plan and enterprise journal. Then we have the method which is account analysis. Okay, so there will, if we have the method which is account analysis, so there is only one system which is our source system. So we'll be loading one source system file which is here. Let me show you. This is my source system file. Okay, this is the reconciliation ID and this is the currency code and the amount which is 12,000, like this. So just then we have concatenated string. I have tell you why this here, because we will be loading our profile as well as our company. Okay, that's why we have concatenated string. We have two segments in our profile, which is company and accounts. Then this all you know, in the very beginning I have explained you. Okay, so the only difference we will be seeing here is this transaction detail. Look here, which is enable amortization and accretion. So prepaid expenses is a case of amortization. Okay, it goes on decreasing like this. Then we have our action plan. So there is also our action plan has been enabled, which means the action plan will be shown in our transaction details. Okay, so do not make any changes in this, because this is the format. If you want to, this is the major format. If you want to make any changes, you just have to duplicate the format, and after that you can make the changes. Okay, then here is the important thing come, which is the rule. Under the rule we have one format label rule, which means that, look here, it means that the copy transaction from prior period. Suppose we are loading for the month of January till December, so we have given the data to entire year. Okay, so whenever we give the entire data for the entire year, it automatically takes the prior period. Okay, suppose I want to make the reconciliation for the month of February, so I have loaded the data for January till December, so it will take prior month as January and it will get you the data, it automated. Okay, then okay, this is the condition which is given. Let me open and see it. Okay, source is my transaction, attribute is my amortization, and operator is my equals to either accretion or amortization. Even I can change this to amortizing. If you want both of them, just keep both of them, or you can leave it none. Okay, so I'll be taking amortizing, but I don't want to make any changes in this. It's fine, no problem. Okay, then we have adjustment. Okay, the extra amount which is been calculated, we will be giving an adjustment. Okay, then the instructions, there is no instruction for this format. Then we have attribute, there is no attribute, no question. Okay, three questions are there, which are the format label questions. To whom this question has been answered? The person who is preparing, who is the preparer. Okay, who will be giving the explanation for the balances. So what is the question? Did you comply with all the company policies? Yes or no? It is in the form of yes or no, and same goes with these two questions also. Okay, in the form of yes or no, and it is required means it is compulsory to give this answer to this question. So required is none, which means no, there is no need of giving the answer to the question. If yes is there in required, that means it is compulsory to give the answer. Then we have rules. Look here, this two rules are there, which is format level rules. So just have a quick look. So look, the first rule we have here is that it will auto submit the reconciliation. When it will auto submit, if the balance, look here, just let me open this. Okay, it will auto submit if the difference is less than 10 USD. Okay, if the difference we are getting which is less than 10 USD, it will auto submit it. Okay, same goes with the second rule, which is auto approve rule. Look here. Okay, this is the condition. If the difference is less than 10 USD, it will auto approve it. Okay, fine. So these are the two rules which are format level rule. So just save and close it. Our first step is to prepare the profile. So just go to profile and there just click on add and start giving the company and account. Okay, just check for the 1119 semicolon 999 like this, and it's a case of prepaid expense. Prepaid insurance balance sheet medium. You already know all these things. You have to give as per the required conditions. You have to give all the attributes which are there in the profiles. Okay, like this. Then here is the format. The format will be prepaid expenses format, so we'll be taking it like this. So just select it and OK. Method it will automatically takes credit because we have taken the liability. 10 days, might be 12 days or 15 days we can give as per your choice, like this. Then we have the workflow. We just quickly assign the preparer, and same goes with the reviewer. So Alex is my preparer. Frequency monthly. The start date offset will be 3 days or 2 days. 2 days, fine. And my reviewer will be my Maureen. Days. Then we have currency. Currency will be USD only, and rate type is my accounting, like this. What else we have? There is no attribute. These rules are the formal table rules. I have already tell you what are these rules stand for, why we have given this rule, okay, in the format. So just save and close and check for validity. Fine. Then comes the next step, which is to load the balances. Okay, so let me close all my file first. Go to period, and we will be taking January month for 23 or 24, whichever period is there in our application. Okay, so where is my file? This one is my file. Fine. First let's change the status of this period. It's in pending status, so open all of them and input the file in the period, which is January 23. Input premium data. Just go to balance and select the file. Our file is book 1. Book 1 is my file, so select the book 1, and balance type is show system. Then we have currency bucket. Fine. So we have loaded our data in our system. Check for this status. It's in pending. Done. Okay, just go to your profile, and under profile just search for the profile which we have created just right now, which is 111 semicolon 999, and create a reconciliation. Which period? January, like this, and apply. So we have done with the process of administrator. Our next step is to go to preparer and just complete the reconciliation, and then go to the reconciliation card over here and search for the profile and select the period over here. So this is my reconciliation. It's right now open with preparer. So preparer will giving the explanation for the balance. So just quickly open it and see. Go to balance explanation, and there just go to the transaction. Look here, the appearance has been changed a little because this is a prepaid expenses format. Here we will get the option of amortizing and accruing. Then we have the justification, long description, and then the short description. Okay, short description give us car insurance prepaid. So the 12,000 amount is my car insurance prepaid. Then the here this is the case of amortizing, so I will be taking amortizing. Then a small window will appear, there you will be getting the some lines. So first we will be giving the original amount, which is 12,000 USD, like this. Okay, so when you give the amount, it automatically takes the amount here. When you give original amount, it will take ending amount automate, like this. So 11,000, it deducts the January period, which is 1,000 installment. Okay, as I've shown you in my Excel sheet in very beginning. So it deduct 1,000 for the period of January, and remaining 11,000 in my upcoming period. Okay, look here, remaining period is my 11. First we have the method over here, which is straight line method. So in straight line method, the depreciation amount will be remaining same, okay, for the entire period. Suppose for January month I will be taking 1,000, same goes Feb, same goes March, till the end of the period, which is December. 1,000 will be fixed. Okay, then the actual is means it depend on the days of the depreciation. Okay, then we have custom. If you want any custom depreciation, you can apply. Then we have half month convention. Okay, so in this what we do, let's suppose okay, in previous what I said, I will be taking 1,000 for the installment of every month. Okay, so suppose when we tick mark this, okay, half month convention. Okay, when we check this half month convention, what it will take, it will take January month as 5,000, not 500, it's 500, and for the remaining month it will take the same amount, which is 1,000. Okay, so for January it will be taking 500, while the remaining it will take 1,000. This is the half month conversion. It means that simple. Okay, like this. So then what we have next, then we have the starting period. Okay, so our starting period is January 23, so it's fine, no problem. Then from here you can decrease the number of installment. Okay, suppose I won't be decreasing it till, let's increase Let decrease it to 6. Okay, so the figure which are here, it automatically change. Okay, look here, the amount is 10,800, the ending amount. My original amount is 12,000 and my ending amount has been changed from 11,000 to 10,500, like this. So we'll be taking as 12,000 only. 12. What is wrong with this? Something wrong is with the there's something wrong with the keypad, I think so. Just cancel it and we'll be again giving the balance explanation. Okay, so this is my car insurance. And the amount is 12,000. Okay, like this. Then we have the case of amortizing. Amount is 12, like this. Why it's automatically, I don't know, there's something wrong with there might be some issues with the instance. Come on. Why it's not taking it? If it's keep on doing things like that, I won't be able to close the reconciliation. Come on. I don't know what is wrong with the application. So here you will be seeing the schedule. Okay, so first we have the pre, which is the showing the serial number. Then we have a period over here, which is January, February, March, April, like this, and the year. Then we have beginning amount, which is 12,000. Amortization haven't given yet, and the ending amount, like this. So first let the number column start working, then only I able to show you this schedule. Okay, so if you want this schedule to be downloaded, you just click on the export and bring it to your system, like this. And then we have our bucket, which is right now in functional, because we have selected this in our format, as well as in the importing, when we importing the premap data. Okay, so I hope this thing was fix it. Why it's, I do not know why it's keep on showing the number again and again. There might be any glitch with the application. Okay, fine, let's once again, let me switch my tab or the window, so that might be chance of, no, there's no chance that it comes to the basic. If it keeps on doing like look here, so I can able to show you this. Okay, so my this is haven't fixed yet, because it keep on changing the amount, the number of installment is keep on changing. It's 5,000, it might be 6,000, like this. So just look over here, this is the amount for the month of January. Okay, then we have amortization amount over here, and what is the ending balance after the 1 month deduction. Okay, then we have the February period. This is my the ending balance, which is the opening balance for the another period. Okay, this is the ending balance for January, and same goes with the opening balance of the February period. Okay, then we have the amortization amount over here, which is charged as 4 rupees. Okay, then we have the ending balance again here. So this is the summary of the installment. Like this, you able to see what all the installment you will be paying. Look here, this period are not in our application right now. After December 2023 there is no available period, so it is undefined. It is showing that this period are not there, so it is in the form of undefined. Okay, okay, so just let me first close this and just sign out, so that there might be chances that the number which is keep on changing has fixed. Again log in as Alex. I hope it work, otherwise I won't be able to show you the further process. Select the reconciliation, which is 111 semicolon 999. Open it and just quickly give the balance explanation. Okay, so I just want to show you this reconciliation will be preparing for January month. So when we take prepaid expenses period, okay, so there is a rule which is like that: copy transaction from Prepaid. Okay, so when I will be creating reconciliation for February month, it automatically submit it and automatically approve it. Okay, so just the only thing I want to show you is that only how it goes to auto submit and how it goes to auto approve. So enable amortizing, then give the amount which is my 12,000 USD, like this. Okay, then the number of period is just 12. Then here you see we have get the schedule for 12 month. First month is 12,000, which is our beginning amount. Then 1,000 has been deducted as amortization. The ending balance is 11,000. The ending balances for January month goes to the opening balances of February month, like this. Okay, and same goes continue, this schedule goes continue, and the amortization amount will be same. Okay, just save it. The remaining 1,000 you will be giving in adjustment. Okay, just go to adjustment and give us insurance expenditure. The amount is 1,000, like this, and the impact will be shown in income statement, not in balance sheet. Understand this thing, the impact will be shown in our income statement. Okay, because this is the expenditure, not in balance sheet. Just save it and it goes to, you have no unexplained difference, goes to 0 unexplained difference. Okay, so we also have the action plan. So just quickly go to your insurance, not this, just go to balance explanation, and over there open this attribute, and under this we have action plan. Here you have to give this action plan. Okay, our category is amortization amount, and my adjusted credit amount is 10,000, not 10,000, 1,000 credit amount, and 1,000 is my debit amount, like this. And just close it, close this and submit it. Once again, I haven't given, I think I haven't given the category of action plan. So just nothing is remaining now. Fine. Again, just submit it. Yes. So we have done with the preparer work task. Our next step is to go as the reviewer and approve it. So just quickly go to work administrator and prepare the reconciliation for the period of February, so that we can see it automatically goes to close status. Create reconciliation, which period? February 23. So select the period, apply like this, and it is in the pending status. So I just want to show you how the rule work, the rule of copying the transaction from the prior period. Okay, close it. I hope there is no need of approving this January period reconciliation. I hope there is no need of that. So just go to your reconciliation card, which is here in our navigator, and under that just go to the February period. Select the February period, which is here. So look here, it is in the closed status. Okay, why it's in the closed status? Because it takes the rule, which is auto approve and auto submit, like this. So there is no data. Okay, so 10,000 is, it automatically goes to closed status. Aging violation. Okay, this is how the rule work. It takes the amount which is minus 10k. If you have to give the explanation, you just have to upgrade the rule. Okay, so the amount is less than 10k, so that's why it's haven't worked. So first change the amount in our rule like this, then you can give the explanation for the balance and the adjustment, and just close the reconciliation. Okay, this is the story behind the prepaid insurance. Okay, so we have done with prepaid expenses cash scenario. So this is all for today. If any doubt comes, just let me know in the comment section, and I will be taking this doubt in the upcoming session. Okay, so what is today's date? Today's date is 9th of September. So that's all. Thank you.